carry the mother, I carry the brother, I lead this manger and carry another. My hay was a bed for his head, so I'll give you my shed for a bed. My wool was a cloth that kept him warm on a frosty cold and morn. When gladly warm, someone old or cold, or just newborn. As I sit up high, I can hear the cry and the fear and the sigh. I came very far with men and star to where we are. So I will take one far who has eye on a star. He called us from earth at the time of our birth. He gave us a name. He called us by name. Life's never the same when he calls us by name.